Model: 2019 Volkswagen Crafter Startline County Route 35 140PS 2.0TDI front-wheel drive long wheelbase, spares OR repairs open-mouth smile ULEZ compliant clean as a whistle. Body: white, panel van. Mileage: 93,145. MOT: 28 August 2024. Engine: 1968 cc 2.0TDI 140PS EU6. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine has been partially stripped and dismantled. Some parts are in the back of the van. Looking at the mechanical state of the vehicle, we would say it has broken rockers and lifters. Rest of the engine and the bottom don't show any signs of mechanical damage. Gearbox and clutch engage fine on standstill open-mouth smile. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very